All right, the court is calling 2020 CR 0123, State of Texas versus Michael Anthony Sandoval Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Casey Janahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Carlos Martinez for the defendant.
All right, and are you Michael Anthony Sandoval Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Michael Anthony Sandoval Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0123 for the offense of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information items less than 5 on February 24th, 2020 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Michael Anthony Sandoval Jr., the vendor failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, October, November, and December 2020, violation condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
None, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court can find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
And that is to grant the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke the individual's community supervision and pursuant to a 1244, sentence him to 100 days in the Bear County Jail.
That's correct, Judge. That's the understanding of the agreement that we have. Subject to your approval.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Michael Anthony Sandoval Jr.
Why are you not successful on this probation?
When I was young, I didn't take it serious.
How old are you now?
I'm 24.
All right, so that young thing only applies really if you're 18 in felony court. So you were not 18 when you were placed on probation. So why are you not reporting?
COVID happened and I just stopped reporting.
Right.
And
Probation on Mr. Sandoval, do you have a court summary? I can't find it in my email. Do you have any family?
yes,
All right, who's your support system?
my mother, my grandmother, and my sisters.
What have you done since you've been on probation?
I got a new job. I'm an electrician. I joined our local union. I've been there for about 2 years now. I just had a daughter. She just turned 3 years old in May.
Mhm.
I haven't gotten any trouble since. I've been good. I've just been working, raising my daughter.
And counsel, do you have any knowledge of his employment?
Yes, Your Honor. As a matter of fact, the mom was calling my office yesterday and the day before saying that the employer was about to give us what we needed of the proof of employment, but he was being kind of slow on it. And I said, well, we already have court on Thursday, but that was on the works. And from the people that came into my office, it was the mom, the grandma, 2 sisters, very concerned because according to them, it was 20 at the time, this incident. He's completely turned around, no trouble, working hard. He's an electrician, part of a union.
Yes.
And also the 3-year-old, he says that he's a very good father. I said, the problem we have is that he just stopped reporting.
So somebody needs to call to see if he really has a job with this electrician, because otherwise
I mean, you could call,
I don't-
the local union and they'll tell you the IBW 60.
No, I mean, I won't call. Yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
stating on the
So
record.
counsel, if you want to call,
Yeah.
and counsel, if you come back to me and let me know what you discovered, of course, you're an officer of the court. I'll take it as
Yes,
true.
Judge.
All right.
I could do that because the mom was trying to set that up yesterday.
Okay.
And why not pick it up this morning?
All right.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Okay. Just have a seat.
A few moments later.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to find. Yeah. All right. We're back on the record in 2020 CR. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Judge, can I just get his name? I
No,
didn't.
no problem. All right, no problem. We're going to go back on the record in 2020 CR 0123, State of Texas versus Michael Sandoval and Mr. Martinez. Did you have an update for the court?
Yes, Your Honor, I went out in the hallway and the mom did have that number that I need to call. I called and I spoke to an individual by the name of Isaac Garza, and he's supposed to be his boss. And he says, yeah, he has been working for him. And that the good news was that they have a big contract coming up that he claims that he will keep my client busy probably 50, 60 hour minimum per week. So it got verified, Judge.
All right, thank you so much. The court will find you guilty. The court will revoke. The court will follow your agreement, and you're waiving your right to appeal. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244 and give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You could have completed this and not have a felony conviction.
Yes.
Now you have a felony conviction. So as you go through your life, everything that you do from here on out, because you have a child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to ask yourself, am I doing things that will make my child proud to tell other people this is my dad? Am I going to be the father that when there's a father dance or a picnic or whatever is going on, my child is going to run to me because they know who I am and I'm a hard worker for them and I speak with them. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Be that parent and don't start smoking any marijuana around your children or smoking marijuana at all. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Who's here?